If you want to give others access to the system, you have to add them as users. And to do so, you go to user management, and under user management, you select users, and you use the add button here to add a new user. So you provide information of the user that you are adding. For example, Mr. James, let's say, and provide a email address of the person. And then you provide a username of the person. This is the username, so it will come with this code dash 1185. That will be the username. So it will come like James dash 1185. That will be the username. Then you set the password for the user, and you confirm the password. So after that, then you select the role of the user. If the person will be a cashier or admin or any other role that you have created, then you assign, select the role for the user. Then you also select the location where you are adding the user from. So if you have multiple locations, all will be listed here for you to select the particular location that you want to assign this user to. So after that, then if you are going to set sales commission percentage for this user, then you can also set a percentage, as well as maximum sales discount percent. You can also set the discount percent. Then then you can also provide more information about the user if you want to. You can also provide bank details, HR, HRM details, and then payroll details. So when you are done, you just save, and then you continue with everything. Just save and then continue. So all be listed here. All the users that all the users that you add will be listed here. So anytime you want to edit information or anything about them, you just come here and then just use the edit, and then if you maybe the name wasn't correct, then you change the name, or maybe the password, you want to set new password, then you can also set, or maybe you want to change the role, you can also change the role here, maybe the location, you can change all of them. So when you are done, you just save, and then you complete it. So that is it for. So now let's see how you can add roles. So for example, the admin and the cashier that we are seeing here, how you can create another one. So to do that, you go to under the same user management, then you go to roles. Then under roles, here you'll be able to set new roles. So currently we have admin and then cashier. Admin um, has the overall power to do everything on the system, to have access to every feature of the system. So that is why it is not editable, or it cannot be deleted. So you can see that we have cashier here, but you can edit it, and you can also delete it. So if you want to add a new role, let's say you want to add a manager, maybe it a shop manager, operation manager. So you use the add button here to add a new role. So to do that, you give the name of the role, let's say manager, manager, sorry, say manager. Then When you set a name, then you now select the permissions, the roles that you want this manager to be able to have access to. So maybe the permissions that the features that you want this manager to be able to access or to be permitted to use. So if you want the manager to view users, add user, edit, or delete user, then you can select, you can go through, you can select, or maybe if for specific ones, you can then select them like this. Maybe you want the manager to view role, edit them, you can do, or maybe you want them to take all the actions, you can. So have to take your time and go through each of the roles to see if you want to give permission to this user, then you give the permission to go through them thoroughly to see how to see which one you need to assign to the user. So when you are done and sure of what you have selected, then you save. Same way, if you want to take the right from this user, you want to take some right from this user or this row, you can just come to edit and then say, I don't want this person to be able to edit or add user anymore. So then when you are done, you just go and then you update. So this is how you add new rows. Okay, just as how you add users, you can also add sales commission agent. Maybe you have sales commission agent who work on commission base. You can also add them onto your system. So to do that, you just go to sales commission agent, then you can add them by using, you can add a new agent by using the add button here, and then just give the name, provide the name, and then the email address, and then you set the commission percentage here. So when you are done, you just say same way as, sorry, because I didn't fill this. So for example, Miss um Jane also um Oklo. Then you give the, they can give, provide the address, and then set a commission pay, let's say 45%. When I'm done, you just say, then you have it. So that's it for sales commission agent.